Today, I share with you all how you can make Tuwo shinkafa using rice flour. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Place the pot on the heat and go ahead and add some water. The amount of water you add depends on the amount of tuwo you are making. Once you add the water, add a little bit of oil, a tiny bit of oil. Cover the pot and allow the water to boil. While the water is boiling, go ahead and sieve the rice flour. This is optional, but I like to do it in case the rice flour comes with particles, so I'll be able to get rid of the particles. Once you are done sieving all the rice flour, go ahead and set it aside. Back to the pot, the water is already boiling. Go ahead and take some of the hot water out and set it aside, alright? Do not throw it. We are going to use it later. Add a little bit of cold water into the pot. The cold water will help to cool down the temperature of the hot water a little bit to prevent lumps. Add the rice flour and start stirring immediately. Once you started stirring the tuwo, you want to fold the tuwo together and bring it to the side of the pot to break any lumps that is in there. This is how you are going to repeat the same process until you achieve the smooth dough consistency, alright? Just fold it together, bring it to the side of the pot, and like that, you are going to be able to break any lumps that is inside it. Hope you guys understand. The reason why I add oil into the water, the oil will give it that shiny color when it is done, alright? Once you stir the tuwo and you achieve that smooth dough consistency, add some of the hot water that we take out earlier and cover the tuwo and allow to cook on a low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is 3 to 5 minutes later. I open the pot and then I'm going to break the tuwo into a small ball. You guys can see that it is very big. It comes in a big ball, right? I will go ahead and use the spatula just to break down a little bit so everything can cook very well. I will cover it back and continue to cook for extra 3 to 5 minutes. If you need to adjust the water, add water, alright? But at the same time, you don't want your tuwo to be too soft or to be too hard, alright? This about 5 minutes later, the tuwo is perfectly cooked right now. I will give it a final good stir and go ahead and wrap it up in a plastic bag. You don't have to wrap the tuwo in a plastic wrap, alright? You can just dish it out in a plate and serve it with any soup of your choice. But because I'm filming, so I just wrap it up to keep it warm until I am ready to eat it, alright? And here is your authentic tuwo without any stress. This method is super simple. Trust me guys, it's tested and trusted. Go ahead and enjoy your tuwo with any soup of your choice. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!